spinal cord, back, again 7 items you can try. Now stretch your body like Namaskara. And next item, again same count, uniformity to be maintained, 2 minutes, 10 breaths. Next item, yes. Like this, you can also breathe. Next item, yes. Stay in the hands position, binding. Another one, yes. Now for free motions, this is the best method. Right side leg and hands free. So lateral hands are very free. This is the best for free motions. Again, breathe in, breathe out, right side. Okay. If you want to just do it aggressively, you can also do it good way, taking 2 glasses of water like this. So this will flush out what fecal matter from the body, free motions. And next item, finally, on this posture, yes, like this. And this is best for gastritis problems, gastric problems. And yes, and the lying on the tummy. Lying on the tummy, you can do number of postures. This is one posture. And next one, this is Makarasana, what we call, like a joint. Cultivate the entire spinal cord flow, energy gets flown top to bottom, bottom to top. That means perineum to cranium, cranium to perineum. The most important, many people not getting upward movement of blood flow, physical. And you can just extend. That means touching the lumbar. That recharging what problems here, particularly to the prostatic disorders, urinary system. This is the best method. This one. So these are all on the circumference sides. Of course, this is limited to people. You can also breathe in and turn left and right. Okay, right. And next one, yes. You can also bend like this for a while. Or even like this. The best for many systems of the body. There are 7 systems of the body. And final item, gastric potential posture. Jataragni Parivartanasana. Gastric potential posture, the most vital among all. Finishing wake up yoga before attending natural class. So keep like this, left, I'm folding here, left side, fold the right side, and right hand holding the left knee. Breathe in and turn to the right side. Breathe in 10 times, 2 minutes, turning head complete to the left side. Looking at your palm of the left hand. The most vital here, whatever organs are here, particularly pancreas and heart, all this part gets completely energized. And the same thing again, the other side, Chaturagni Parivartanasana, gastric potential posture. Same thing, yes. Right leg holding, left hand holding. Again, same thing, yes. Looking at the right palm. 10 breaths, deep, slow, and long. So these are the complete wake-up postures, maximum 28, 30. Now we can go for Trishul Shavasana. This is my own invention, where the body is open to the sky. The upper middle part of the body, upper part of the body open to the cosmos and sky and the sun. This is like trident, whereas this part gets open to the sky. Very comfortable. And breathe in abdominally, maximum, deeper, longer, slow. And when you get up, all the time, always turn to right side and get up slow. Never get up fast. Now this is wake up yoga items. Now next come to just meditation for 2-3 minutes to stabilize excited state to ground state. Then after this, attend natural pause. Relax. Finish after brushing teeth and ablution. Come back. After coming back, now we go to the makeup class, particularly breathing techniques. I have different options. Any option you can try. See, for example, walking. So walking, yoga walk. Yoga walk is like this. Yoga walk. Like this. Once again. And I have a beautiful quotation to you. Breathe the sky, blast the ground. Breathe the sky, blast the ground. Just for a joke, quotation. So breathe the sky, the entire infinite energy, your due share in the infinite cosmos, in the nature. You must receive your share of energy from the nature, from the cosmos. That's the most, otherwise becomes, health backlash, energy backlash, vital life backlash, most important. To make you become drug-free, tension-free, crime-free, pollution-free, ego-free, corona-free. So once you will show yoga what? This is yoga walk. Okay. And coming to next item, jogging. Many people jog. But as I said in the beginning itself, yoga is breath focus, spirit focus, time focus, energy focus, life focus, cosmic focus. That is yoga. Cosmic yoga, not cosmetic. Jogging. Jogging, breath focus. And close your lips like Hanuman. Close your lips. When you close your lips, nose opens. Like blossoming. Nose is your nose. Like this, You can stay at home. After 6 to 7 feet distance is enough. This is jogging. Once again I'll show. But friends, please remember, when you are doing yoga, pranayama, surroundings must be tidy, clean and clear, without any dust, no electronic gadgets, please, and no AC. The most important. Pranayama is the most useful if it done properly, also equally harmful if it is done improperly. That is pranayama. Breathing. So this is jogging once again. You can go slow, pick up speed, slow, medium, fast, medium, slow. See, this is slow. Medium. Fast. Almost like Bhadraka outside. Okay. Automatically, because many times you tend to move, bend like this forward, and when you sneeze and cough, all the time to this way. By the time water friends, thickening of the mucous membrane takes place, which causes to sinus, migraine, lots of different problems. So when you keep straight, spinal cord straight, nose straight, 90 degrees, and you can be the sky, the cosmos, the solar energy. Okay, now coming to, this is forward skipping, also backward skipping. 50-50 again please, most important. This is backward. Backward, let it be done, no problem. And next item, treadmill. That is very interesting, very easy. Okay? And those who got obese, please reduce. Do not do number of exercise more. No, go slow. It may exert pressure on your knees and the body and the heart. Please go slow. Okay? And stretching legs at the bottom here. your max capacity. Now, so this is treadmill breathing techniques. So as shown, yoga walk, skipping, forward, backward, and jogging, and also treadmill.